In the heart of the Igbo land, tradition is alive. It echoes in the rhythm of drums, the sway of masquerade, and the wisdom carried by kings. A crown is more than authority. It is a sacred duty, a duty to lead, to protect, and to preserve the soul of a people. Among those choosing to bear this responsibility stands a man whose story spans continents. His Royal Highness Eze Chukwuemeka Ogbu, the first Eze Ndi Igbo on a Scottish soil. Born in the rich land of Abia State, southeast Nigeria, Chukwuemeka Ogbu grew with the pride and resilience of his people. The rhythm of his homeland shaped him. Its values became his compass. Destiny called him across the sea to Scotland, a land of new faces, new skies, and unfamiliar challenges. Here he did more than survive. He built a community, a home, a legacy. From humble beginning, he rose to become a respected leader, a devoted husband to Eze confident Ogbu, and the father of 4. He lives the values he holds dear: family, tradition, and resilience. In Scotland, Ndi Igbo longed for a leader, someone to carry their heritage across the oceans. That call was answered in Chukwuemeka Ogbu. He was crowned Ezekwesiri I, Ezeigbo of Scotland. He became more than a king. He became a bridge, linking the past to present, home to Diaspora, tradition to modernity. Together with his council and Ono, he leads with wisdom, humility, and dedication to his people. Their collective guidance ensures that every decision honors culture, community, and continuity. Under him, the Igbo community in Scotland has found unity, pride, and cultural revival. With the support of his traditional council of chiefs and the Ono, he has nurtured heritage, planted seeds of pride, and strengthened community bonds. Festivals, dialogues, mentorship programs, and service projects reflect the combined wisdom of the king and his trusted palace officials, ensuring that Igbo culture thrives even far from its ancestral soil. He is not just a leader, he is a guardian of identity, a living reminder of who Ndi Igbo are, wherever they may be. Today, His Royal Highness Eze Chukwuemeka Ogbu stands as more than a king. He is a living symbol of Igbo spirit, a bridge between generations, a guardian of culture, a source of pride for the diaspora. Across Glasgow and beyond, his vision lights a path to honor the past, celebrate culture, and step boldly into the future. He does not just wear a crown, he carries a people's heartbeat across oceans. This is his legacy.
Yo plan para Glasgow, yo plan para Scotland. Hay que meter a
Abia